Namaste student. Today we are discuss and study about the quadratic equation. The equation in which the degree or the power of variable is most 2 and it is the we say quadratic equation. Standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 0. Quadratic equations are also some another form, that is ax square plus bx equal to 0. Ax square plus c is equal to 0. And there is also some other forms about the sign of the coefficients, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. All terms are positive. It is also quadratic equation. Ax square minus bx plus c is equal to 0 is also quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx minus c is equal to 0 and ax square minus bx minus c is equal to 0. Listen, ही 4 प्रकारची जी उदाहरणे मी दिलेली आहेत ही क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशनच आहेत, परंतु या चिन्हांचा संबंध आपण घेऊन जी काही 4 रूपं केलेली आहेत ही सर्वात महत्त्वाची आहे. बिकॉज when we want to solve such a kinds of equation, then there is a proper method which is I study you later on. Here some examples of quadratic equations: x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, 4x square minus 36 is equal to 0, 4x square minus 9x is equal to 0. These are the also some examples of quadratic equations. First we are check whether the given equations are quadratic or not. Here some examples we are taken. Check given equations are quadratic or not. Exercise 4.1. First examples: x plus 1 square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. In this example, first we expand this bracket and by transposing the terms which are right side of the equations, and we get the final equation like this: x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. By transposing 2x and minus 6, therefore x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Here x square 2x and this minus 2x get cancelled, remaining is 1 plus 6, that is a 7 is equal to 0. It is also quadratic equation because here see ax square plus c is a constant term, a is the coefficient of square terms. That means we compare it with the standard form. These are also standard form, and then we say it is the quadratic equations. Next, another examples. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Here also x square minus 2x by multiplying minus 2 to bracket minus 6 minus minus plus 2x by transposing minus 6 and 2x, then x square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x is equal to 0. Here also minus 2x becomes 4 minus 4x, x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. It is when we compare the standard form, here it is the quadratic equation. It is also quadratic equation. We are moving forward to another some examples. Examples 3. X minus 2 x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. We want to check whether the given equation is a quadratic or not. For that purpose, we first solve these brackets. Therefore, x into x, x square plus x minus 2x minus 2. Then x into x, again x square, x into 3, 3x minus x minus 3. By transposing all the terms of right side at left side, then x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 minus x square minus 3x plus x plus 3 equal to 0. We can rearrange all the like terms. Here x square minus x square get cancelled. Remaining is x minus 2x means minus x minus 3x, that is a minus 4x plus x, that is a minus 3x, minus 2 plus 3, it is a 1 equal to 0. But when we compare it with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, or x square plus bx is equal to 0, or x square plus c equal to 0, there is no such a solution or such a result which is quadratic equation. That means it is a not quadratic equation. It is not quadratic equation. That means all the examples like this are quadratic? No. Some are non-quadratic or other than the quadratic equation. We also find another one examples, that is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 square. We first solve this bracket, x square minus 4x plus 4, here x square plus 3x plus 1. By transposing all the terms of right side towards the left side, therefore x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square plus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. Here x square get cancelled. That means here 4x 3x, that is a 7x, 1 minus 4, that is a 3 is equal to 0. It is not quadratic equations. Okay, these are the examples of we can checking the given equation is quadratic or not. But student, listen, these quadratic equations is very important in our daily life, daily routine. Some examples are in the words form. That words form equations are converted into mathematical form, then the quadratic equation is formed, and that quadratic equation when we solve, we get the result or application of that problem. It means here quadratic equations is a preparation or prepare from the words problem is very important. For example, here the area of rectangle plot is 5 to 8 meter square. This one, and you write this words problem. Only some points are written on the boards. Here example about the rectangular plot. Rectangular plot. They have given the area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. The length of the plot in meters is one more than twice its breadth. This is the actual relation between length and breadth. We need to find length and breadth of the plot. Here the relation is given that the length and breadth, suppose breadth of plot is equal to x. Therefore, by given condition, length is equal to, the relation is given, length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. That means twice the breadth, then and then also length is more than 1. Therefore, length is equal to 2x plus 1. Then the relation of this problem is that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Therefore, 528 is equal to 2x plus 1 into x. Therefore, by multiplying this one, 2x square plus x is equal to 528. Therefore, 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. It is the quadratic form, quadratic equation form, and when we solve it, we got length of the plot and breadth of the plot. Then we are comes at a position, what is the solution of quadratic equation? How we can find out the solution of quadratic equation, or we say another word, roots of the quadratic equation. The value of variable which can satisfy given quadratic equation, it is, we say, solution of that quadratic equation, so that we can solve the quadratic equation. But there are some methods, some examples, or some quadratic equations are not so easy. They can't use the proper solution in the integer forms. Their solution is maybe irrational number also, or we say real number. So that for that we use the some method like a completing square method, and there is a formula method. But previous that there is a one more very important method. It is a factorization method. In a factorization method, the factors of last terms multiply to coefficient of first term is very important. And so that I given 4 kinds of equation at the earlier, that is the meaning, the sign of the second term, third term are very important. So that I write it, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, ax square minus bx, not here written, they are as a ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, ax square minus bx plus c is equal to 0, ax square plus bx minus c is equal to 0, ax square minus bx minus c is equal to 0, These are the four kinds of equation. They all are standard form of quadratic equation. But you remember that these equations have a particular kind of solution, and it is very important. I give you some ideas about the finding the solution of such a kind of equation, and that's ideas no one can give its previous to find out the solution of quadratic equations.